Guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix voice chat and mic not working in Rocket League. It's quite easy and simple, so let me show how. So first of all, what you need to do here, you need to go to settings. I'm using a PS5 controller, so I just need to press option for one time and I will end up on this little window. So you need to go here as well, and then you need to go to settings. And once you're here, then you need to scroll all the way down until you see chat. And once you're here, then you need to go to voice chat settings and make sure that this option is on. Allow voice chat with everyone, and then make sure that voice chat method is push to talk or open mic. I like open mic because I don't need to push any buttons in order to talk, and it's really convenient if you're using PS4 or PS5. And also there is a, as you can see here, preferred voice channel, and you can make it to team if you're playing not with your friends, you solo queuing, or if you want party, make sure that this is on, right? And that's pretty much it what you need to do here if you want to fix voice chat and mic not working in Rocket League, right? So if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.